Good morning everyone. Today we are going to give a demo experiment on open circuit and short circuit test on a single phase transformer with a rating of 200 VA and 220 volt. This is the first experiment in our electrical machine 1 laboratory. The components required for conducting open circuit test are voltmeter, which is having a range of 0 to 300 volt. Again, for short circuit test we required 0 to 75 volt, again ammeter of 0 to 1 or 2 amperes, and one more ammeter of 0 to 10 amperes range. Wattmeter 300 volt 2.5 amperes of LPF1, then one more wattmeter of 75 volt 10 amperes of UPF, and also we need a auto transformer with a current rating of 15 amperes. This is the overall circuit diagram for conducting open circuit test. So we have a mains here. So we have a MCB in between. Then we will be giving that connection supply to a auto transformer. From auto transformer, single phase transformer primary are excited. As we are conducting open circuit test, the secondary is always kept open circuit. In between, we are using wattmeter to measure the power consumed during open circuit test, current drawn by the single phase transformer during open circuit test, and voltage applied, rated voltage applied will be measured by means of a voltmeter. Initially, we will be doing the series connections, means starting from phase, ammeter, then wattmeter, then the primary winding P1, then secondary, then coming back to the neutral point. Then the parallel connections are made, like V is connected to P2, then a voltmeter connected across the P1 and P2. This is the overall circuit diagram. The same circuit diagram we are going to connect now. This is the auto transformer what we are going to use for our open circuit test. The input to the auto transformer is given by means of a mains. Okay. So this is how exactly we give connection to auto transformer. Means initially the supply is given to auto transformer. Then from auto transformer we have to take the supply. Phase terminal is given to ammeter. Common, then 2 amperes range is given to the wattmeter M, terminal M, mains. Then MC of the wattmeter should be shorted. Common and mains of the terminals of the wattmeters are shorted, and then L should goes to the terminal P1. Then one more terminal we have P2 to it should be given back to the auto transformer. Okay. Next, this is how exactly we have done the series connection. Next, wattmeter V, that the selected voltage range for open circuit test is 300, and it should be given to shorted to the P2 or the neutral terminal of the auto transformer. Then across P1 P2, the voltage which is to be applied to be measured. So for that we are using a voltmeter with a range of 0 to 300 volt. So that is connected across P1 and P2. So this is how exactly the open circuit test and short circuit test connection goes, and this will be performed on a single phase transformer of a rating 2 kVA 220 volt per 220 volt. Next, we will see how exactly the experiment is conducted.